Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not sending the SMS code. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. It might be frustrating when you're waiting for an SMS code to receive for your one-time password. So the way to fix that if it's not receiving is to exit Facebook, and then from here you're going to go to your settings by scrolling down on your phone and then going all the way down again and then clicking on the settings option. From here, you're in your settings, click on the apps section. And now from here, you can either go for recently opened apps, or you can then go down and search it through the normal apps for default. And then from here, you're going to find it. So mainly just click on see all 93 apps and then search for Facebook. Once you're in Facebook, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see permissions. Click on permissions. And then from here, you're going to make sure that all the permissions necessary are allowed for it to receive messages. So from here, you're going to allow it for call logs. And then you're going to allow it as well to make sure for contacts. And then anything else, just for now, temporarily, you can allow everything just in case so that you can make sure everything's all set. And same for notifications. Once that is done, then you're going to search for your Messages app, which is going to be right here, the Messages app official. Same again, you're going to go to the permissions, and then you're going to make sure that all the necessary permissions are allowed, for example, SMS or anything else. Once those two permissions are done, and then once you go in and you try again, you should be able to receive that SMS message. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.